All right, we are working on making a 10 to add, and we are on lesson 12, session 3, and we are on page 271. Here it says find 7 plus 5. Before we start all that, I want to practice making teen numbers. So you don't have to write it. I want you to say it with me, okay? When we are making teen numbers, we have a group of 10 plus at least one 1 or 2 ones or 3 ones. So here we go. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So there we have it. Those are our teen numbers. So making teens, so important to understand and be able to add quickly like that. The other thing that is important when we are making a 10 to add is to understand how to make a group of 10. So making 10 from any number. So if I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, I need to know what am I going to add to these numbers to make 10. It is so important that you understand this at this level so that when you are in your teens, your 20s, your 30s, your thousands, your hundreds, your thousands, your 10,000s, your 100,000s, that you can add numbers like this. If you can make a 10, you can add easier with the higher numbers. That is why this is so important right now. Okay, so 0 plus what equals 10? 1 plus what equals 10? 2 plus what equals 10? 3 plus what equals 10? 4 plus what equals 10? 5 plus what equals 10? 6 plus what equals 10? 7 plus what equals 10? 8 plus what equals 10? 9 plus what equals 10? 10, 10, and 10 plus what equals 10? All right. So looking for patterns in numbers, there are patterns all around us. Okay, so here we go. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Say that with me. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Making 10 is so important. Okay, so now we're going to go to the work. Here it says, practice making a 10 to add. Look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. And again, we're on page 271. If we're on page 271, how many more would we need to get to page 280? If this is in the ones place, and this is 1, how many more would we need to get to the next 10? Right. 9. So 271 plus 9 takes you to that next 10. Part of why it's so important to understand our tens right now. Okay, so here we have 7 plus 5. 7 is our greater number, so we're putting that first 7. And then let's draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just to prove it, we need to make sure that they did it right. So we're going to double check their work, okay? So 7, how many more to 10? 7, 3. 7 and 3 equals 10. So if I have those 3 dots right there, 7 and 3 is 10. Is this a 5 anymore? No, I made it into a 2 because those 3 went over here. So now we have 10 plus 2 equals 12. Easy peasy, right? Here we have 8. Gonna draw my 5 dots. 8, 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I'm gonna circle 2 dots, right? 8 plus 2 equals 10. And how many dots are left over? 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 8 plus 5, it's got to equal 13 too. Look, there's the 5. And we took the 5, we took 2 away to go with the 8. And there's 3 left. So 10 plus 3 is 13. We can draw our evidence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8. And we need to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at here, we've got 10 and 3 more. Same answer, 13, right? Okay, here we go. It says show 9 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 4. And draw 5 dots, 3, 4, 5, 9, 1. 1, 9 plus 1 equals 10, right? 9 and 1 is 10. How many are left? Is it 5? Not anymore. It's 4. So 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So 9 plus 5, I think it's going to equal 14 too. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to add. Hey, what happened? Share my screen. What just happened? I want to. Okay, so here we're going to keep continuing here. So we have 9 plus 5. We have 9, and we're going to continue building. We're going to have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that tells me that we have 10 and 4 more, which equals 14. Excellent job today.